If you want to know what really separates wealthy individuals from the average person, it's not luck, inheritance, or even talent. It's obsession. The right obsession or secret fuel behind every fortune. In this video, we're breaking down 15 obsessions that often lead to massive financial success and how you can start adopting them today. The first is obsession with value creation. People who build wealth consistently ask, how can I solve a problem better, faster, or more affordably than anyone else? Money flows to value. If you obsess over creating it, income becomes byproduct. Next is an obsession with personal growth. The wealthiest people are addicted to learning. They read, listen, take courses, study market. They know their income can only grow as fast as they do. They don't wait for change. They become the change. The third obsession is tracking money. Wealthy people are laser focused on whether their money goes and where it goes. The check balance, analyze expense, studies investment. They know every dollar is a soldier and it either wins the battle or bleeds the army. Another key obsession is cash flow. They don't just save, they build system to bring money passively and consistently. Rental income, dividend, digital product, affiliate revenue. They always looking for a way to make money work harder than they do. Obsessed with leverage. They once huge wealthy mind think in the term of system, people and capital doing the heavy lifting. They don't just work hard, they find smarter ways to scale. They obsess with the time, not just being busy but being effective. Time blocking, outsourcing, automating. If it's not moving the needle, it's cut. Their calendar reflects their priorities. Obsessed with results, not effort. They don't wear hustle like a badge. They care about outcomes. It's not about working 12 hours. It's about whether those 12 hours produce growth, revenue, or impact. Another obsession is marketing. The best product means nothing if no one knows about it. Wealth builders understand copywriting, pursuing branding, and storytelling. Attention is currency, and they master how to earn it. They are also obsessed with high income skills, sales, public speaking, coding, design, finance, whatever their lane is. They aim to dominate it, skills stack up and turn into empires. Obsessed with network, they actively build relationships with people who are smarter, faster, or more experienced. One connection can change the trajectory of a business or brand. Another major obsession, ownership. They don't just work for income, they aim to own equity in business, real estate, intellectual property. Ownership builds real wealth. Obsessed with discipline, they delay gratification, manage emotions, avoid shiny object syndrome. Consistency over hype, that's the formula. Obsessed with branding themselves, they know their name, image, and online presence are all asset. A strong personal brand multiplies opportunities. They are obsessed with solving problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the check. It's that simple. And finally, they are obsessed with freedom. Money is not end goal. Freedom is freedom to choose how to spend their time, energy, and life. Every financial decision flows from the obsession, and that's how fortune are made.